Hi guys, good day from wherever you're watching me from. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you this trending net turban scarf tutorial. Let's get started. So here I have 5 yards of two pattern of nets to tie together, and the measurement for this turban is 5 yards for the both, 5 yards for the black and five for the peach. You can use any color of your choice. So I tied the two color together at the extreme end. So if you have the full 5 yards of turban, I divided it into two equal parts. The width part of it, I divided it into two equal parts. And why I did that was it was too full and we don't want it too over full, so I divided it into two equal parts for the peach and for the black, so that the net won't be too over full in hand. So after I divided into two equal parts, I joined it at where it end. That means I'm having like, if you have 5 yards of black turban, you divided it two equal parts, means you have another 5 yards again. Means it does not mean you are dividing the 5 yards into two, which will be two and a half. No, you are dividing the width, and the width is is not the length. You are dividing the width into two equal parts. So you have the 5 yards in two places, and you will be joining it together, which make it 10 yards. Do you understand? And the same thing to the other part of it too. You are dividing the other parts too, which give you 10 yards like that. And so you will be two, so you can tie it easily. And once you are done with the putting in together, you place it on your model head and be crossing it till you get to the end of the turban. And while you are doing it, so you won't lose your step turban, you have to tell your model to hold it down. While as you are pulling it from the back, you tell him or her to hold it down, to secure it down so that it won't pull back while you are tying it. I hope you get my point. So I will continue the process till I get to the end of this net scarf. It's easy to tie once you get the step correctly. All you need to do is be crossing it from one part to the other end. You can use any color of net turban, but make sure you have a turban lifter underneath. You can use any turban lifter of choice. If you don't want it this too over full, you can use 3 yards of turban, and the 3 yards have to be like 3 yards on the right and 3 yards on the left, which is like 6 yards if you don't want it to be too over full. And you can use a plain color as well, which will not be coming in two colors. I hope you get my point. So I'll continue till I exhaust all the nets that I have here. You can use any color of your choice, like I said earlier. You just have to be careful while tying it to get the perfect shape that you want. And while you are doing it, make sure you cross it in the middle. So here is what I'm saying. This is where I joined it. That is where I have knots at this end, and I will be going ahead till I exhaust all the net that I have, which is about 10 yards, to give you this full part of it. It's very easy to tie once you get the actual shape of the turban. All you need to do is, and when you are tying it, you don't have to pour it on the floor. It will be easy to pull together. Just wrap all together and be placing it on your model's lap and tell her to hold it down. Don't pour it on the floor. It's not easy to pick because it's full. You know, when you have 10 yards of net, it's not easy to pack together. But once you roll everything together, so as you are tying it, you are releasing the one you want to use, and you tell her to secure the rest down. Don't pour all on the floor, like it will be easy to pull up again, and what you have done on the head so far might scatter. So you have to take it easy while tying this turban to get the shape correctly. And here we are done with the step. So I'll be using a pin to secure it down. Gently, I'll use a pin to secure it down. It cannot remove. You don't need to tie it at the back, but if you are not sure about your pinning, you can secure it with a knot at the back if you are convenient with that. So I'll be using the peach color to cover the black and to give us the beauty of the turban. If you are not sure about one pin, you can use about 3 or 4 pins just to secure whatever you are tying properly. It's better you secure like 4 pins than using one pin and everything will scattered later. So I'll be using the pitch to cover it at the back, and I'll pin it down as well, and I will be clearing the back. I will knit the back properly. I will secure it down with a pin as well. And there comes to the end of this turban. I hope you've learned something, and I wish you practice it. It's very simple, and please practice. Give us a feedback after you've practiced. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Here is the final outcome of the turban. You can So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.